What do I love about the Carpenter Hotel? I'm going to tell you on this episode of TimberTips. Originally home to Austin's Carpenters Union, the Carpenter is a newly opened boutique hotel with a restaurant, bar, and event space. It was developed by Portland-based Mighty Union, and it was constructed by DPR Construction. The three things I love about this project have to do with the poolside deck and boardwalk. The deck was built by Austin Deck Company, and the first thing I love about it is the footings. In order to preserve the surrounding heritage trees, Austin Deck used the Tough Block Instant Foundation System. Tough Block footings only weigh 1.5 pounds, but they can support 1,700 pounds, and you don't have to worry about hitting the roots around those heritage trees. Second thing I like about this project is the framing. In order to accommodate those heritage trees and to create the curves in the boardwalk, small cuts were made along the joist, allowing it to bend just enough to create those curves. The third thing I like about this project is the surface deck. Ipe from Overseas Hardwoods Company was used, and it complements the rustic steel and adobe blocks in the courtyard perfectly. The hotel decided that it's going to let the Ipe gray out, so after a couple of summers, this is going to be a nice, uniform patina gray. And those were the three things that I love about the Carpenter Hotel. To learn more about the hotel or any of the companies that we talked about in this episode, be sure to click on any of the links. We'll have them in the description below. Have you ever thought about pre-graying Ipe or other hardwoods before you installed them? Well, we're going to tackle that topic next week, so be sure to hit subscribe and click on the notification bell, and we'll see you next week on TimberTips.